Last time you saw us, we were navigating the busy streets of Hanoi.
That over there is what we needed right now. Look at all of them.
This time, we're taking you to one of the most unique landscapes in the world. But to get there, we'd have to take a few different rides.
That is literally the first time we've had blue sky in Vietnam.
Good trip?
We got to Cat Bar. It's worth about 30 minutes go to your hotel.
Ooh,
This is
spacious.
So airy.
Wow,
Fan, window. We'll
nice.
have to immediately shut all the windows to keep us clear of that.
So far we've stayed in 2 beds in Vietnam and they both been very hard, so let's test this one. I'm not gonna throw myself because it might hurt, but let's hope for the best. Oh, it's so good!
Is it a normal mattress?
Finally! Oh, we're gonna sleep good finally after 6 nights? 6 nights
Yeah.
in rock hard beds. Wow, quite spacious. I love that they offer toothbrush, shower gel, shampoo all the time in every place we've been so far.
The bed is pretty clean. No hairs from someone else under the pillows. Yeah. And happy anniversary.
Yeah. It's our 3rd anniversary today. And now we're going to check out the rooftop. We chose this place because we were expecting this. But it was a little quieter. Pretty empty.
Yeah. Definitely what I expected. Something smells very good out here. Not the best views, but a view nonetheless. We came all the way here, but like it seems like no one else came because the streets are abandoned. It's the quietest it's been in the whole country so far.
Are we out of season?
Yeah, let us know in the comments. Well, this place is like a playground for tourists, but there's just no one here. It's so weird to see. These kinds of places usually have like tons of people.
I think it would be a nice vibe if there were like people around, but like the silence still is quite good. Well, if you say so. Then it's shy because there's people around. Whoa! I wish this was included. Welcome to Lan Ha Bay.
There's like 2,000 islands and it's a very well-known tourist attraction here. And we're doing it.
were so lucky to get a sunny day. We've literally been in Vietnam for 7 days and this is the first sunny day. And the fact that it is the day we do the cruise.
Like really shallow.
Wow. Do you hear that? Yes. Us neither, because it's so quiet. It's amazing. Echo! Ah, no more.
So my country, we have two different spinel. So first one, the flat spinel, and another one here, this one, the fly spinel. Okay.
Come on, just launch yourself off.
Oh, this is harder than I thought.
Uh,
Okay, I'm going.
yeah.
How is it?
Pretty cold.
Dan the Explorer.
It was like $20. And we've done quite a lot. We've had a swim, we've done some kayaking into like a little cove, hidden cove, and we're still gonna take a 3-mile bike tour, although none of these islands look long enough to have 3 miles of bike trails, so curious about that.
And we're gonna have a fish massage.
Oh yeah, let's talk about that. We'll tell you how it is.
Literally can't see. Wow, that was scary. I couldn't see anything.
Oh, this is so cool, I like it.
In the morning, the boat will go up from this harbor. Okay, we start from this harbor, and we go this way.
This is a lizard happy drink.
Es que no sabe alcohol, es un poquito. El tequila es un
It's
poquito,
good,
right?
So now we got a fish massage. They're ready, look at that. They're ready. First you gotta attract them, look at them coming all the way. They can smell. Probably
They're-
should censor our feet, but okay. Okay, let's do it.
Oh, they're getting...
Everyone reacts the same as soon as you put your food in. Everyone just laughs. You just can't help but laugh. It's
strange, man. It's so strange.
I'm going all in. I'm gonna put both my feet and my legs. Oh my god, look! They're all coming here. I just can't stay long. It's just weird. What does he look like?
Mysterious.
You can do overnight cruises here, but they start at £100. Unfortunately, we can't afford that. But the idea is very tempting. We've seen pictures and videos of the inside of the boats, and they look luxurious. Hopefully, one day we'll be able to afford it and come back here.
But to be fair, I think like pretty much got most of what you get on that night cruise besides dinner and seeing it at night obviously, but I don't think you'd see much at night any pizza boys.
Yeah, that's true actually. I guess it's just the idea of sleeping on a boat. I've never done it. Have you done it?
No. And they do look pretty luxurious, so I guess that would be nice for future down under.
Future rich Dan and Joe.
Yeah.
We've just done laundry and this is our way of drying the clothes until tomorrow when we check out. So you have a fan there and you have a fan here. So we placed the wardrobe thingy, whatever you call this, hanger thingy, in between them at a strategic position.
Look at cheese, man.
We saw these for the first time when we arrived and we were like immediately we've got to try them, but I think we were like a bit tired on the first day and we got a pretty good price. They were desperate to like get us. They dropped the price 3 times to like 50k, which is pretty cheap, but now there's loads of people here and there's only a few of these things left and the price is like doubled. So should have done it the first night.
We're gonna try to bargain to the original price though. Gotta try. We just got it for 100 for 2. You just gotta ask. If they say no, then fine, be it. But you gotta ask, you gotta try.
You want that one too?
Yeah, I'll go on this one. Can't even fit there. This is hilarious. You know when we said the town was a ghost town? Well, we take that back. It's Saturday and the town is vibing. I suppose all the locals come back for the weekend, but like the vibe is completely different now. I really like it.
Yeah, it's like picked up and there's people everywhere. It's the busiest I've seen this place since we've been, which is like 3 days.
If you won't see Katba, we recommend coming on a weekend. Otherwise, just a cruise is worth it. We're really excited to show you our next video, so make sure to subscribe.